and the GCF method. Please take a look at example 1. I have 12MP plus 80M squared. All right. If you don't have them out already, let's get the calculators out. There's one extra up there if somebody needs it. Everyone needs a calculator in front of them here. I don't know how many of you are going to do this in your head. This is what you might have had as an answer last week. Now, what did I start with here? Okay. Everyone ready? You start with the numbers, the coefficients out in front. What's the coefficient on 12MP? 12. What's the coefficient on 80M squared? 80. So I'm going to take 12 and 80, and this is your job right now. You find the greatest number that goes into both of them evenly. 12 and 80. Your job right now, and this is what you're going to practice in your group, find me the largest, the greatest. That's what G means in GCF, greatest. Greatest number that goes into 12 and 80 evenly. And be ready to report back here. Greatest number that goes into 12 and 80 evenly. Okay, don't yell anything out, just find it. It's got to go into both. That's your first job. Did we find it? 23, did we find it? 4, all right? So all it's asking me here is to find the GCF. 4. Now, you'll also notice both monomials have what variable in it? M. So I can also take out something with an M. And when you take out the variables, here's the rule. You take out the 1, everyone ready? With the lowest exponent. So this is M to the what? First, and this is M second. Which one has the lowest exponent? M to the first. So I'm just going to take out an M as the GCF. Do both of them have P's in it? So I'm not even going to touch the P. That's not part of my GCF. All right? Not even going to touch it. All right? All good. So my GCF for this one would be 4M. I'm going to take this real slow. Some of you pick it up. That's fine. All right? Questions? All right, now use the GCF to factor it now. So my GCF was 4M. So I'm going to place that on the outside of my parenthesis. Everyone ready? We're doing reverse multiplication here. So what do you think we're going to be doing? Reverse multiplication is the same thing as saying division. So ready? 4, 12 divided by 4. What should be inside here? 3, right? Because 4 times 3 would have gave me that 12. How many M's were here? I already took it out. So any M's going to be in here? Nope. Good. What else is still there? A P. Did I take it out? So far, so good. Because watch, ready? Go ahead, multiply that, guys. What do you get? Boom. That's what I needed. Let's go to the other term. Plus 4 into 80. 20. How many M's were there? 2. And how many did you take out? 1. So how many are left? And that's it, right? How do you know if you got it right? 12 MP. Ding, ding. 4 times 20. 80M squared. This is what I would have given you last week, and you would have given me that as the answer, right? Now we're going in reverse. So this is 12 MP plus 80M squared factored using the GCF method. Okay, I'm not going to go on to example 2. I'll get back to that in a second. Any questions? One doesn't make you great, but any questions right here? All right, there's going to be a ton of practice going on. So I'll get back to example 2. We're not ready for that yet. So let's go to number 1 in the problems here. Number 1. Everyone ready? 24 and 48. Start with the coefficients. Don't yell anything out. I'm looking for the largest number that goes into 24 and 48. Don't yell anything out. Largest one, not the first one you find. The largest one. 24 and 48. We find it. 8, did we find it? Bigger. Didn't find the biggest one. 12 is a good one, but I need the greatest one. There's one bigger than 12. What do you got? 24. So 24. Do either of them have the same variable in them? So I'm not taking out a variable as far as my GCF. 24 is my GCF. No variable. Everyone see why no variable? They have to have the same thing, same variable in them. All right, so 24 is my GCF. So on the inside, remember I'm dividing here. 7. 7? It's got 7. Stud, ready? 24 divided by 24. Just 1. You can put the 1 there if that makes you feel warm and saucy inside. Go ahead. All right. Did I take out the x? So what's still inside? X plus what? 24 and the 48? 2. And I didn't take out the y, so that's still in there. Boom. If you're nervous, distribute. Okay, distribute. Anything right now before we keep on this train going? 30 m squared p minus 6p. All right. Everyone be careful here. All right, I'm going to try to trap you any way I can. I'm going to throw everything at you. 30. What's the coefficient in front of this one? 1 and 6. Well, negative 6, yep. There's no number I'm taking out here. Ready? Because think about it. What's the largest number that goes into 31 and 6 here? Just 1. I know it's very tempting to take out a 6, right? But you can't take out a 6 from this one. So it's just the 1. So again, if you want to put the 1 outside, feel free. Okay? Feel free. Does everyone see that? First little change up I threw at you. All right. What variable do all three of them have, though? A p. I got p squared, p to the first, and p to the first. I always take out the one with the lowest exponent, which would be? I know it doesn't look like much, but that's your GCF. It's just p. There's no number I can take out. All right, no number. All of them don't have ends. It's just p. All right. All right. What's left then? Let's roll. What's left? 25? 25. No 25? All right. How about 13? 30. Okay, good. I didn't take out the 30. Did I touch the m, Emma? No. Nope. And then P. Because there's 2 of them, and I took 1 out. Yep. And then m squared. Plus m squared. Yep, I already took out that one, so that's gone. And then it would be minus 6. That's it. Doesn't look great, but... And you know you're done? Is there anything else in common that's left inside the parenthesis other than a 1? No, that means you've taken out everything you possibly could. Next up. What do you think is the GCF here? Don't yell anything out. What do you think is the GCF? What's going to go outside my parenthesis here? Here we go, maybe 6. Just a Q. There's no number to take out because I got 1 again. If 1's a coefficient, done. Can't take a number out. What's going to be left now when I use this GCF method? Here we go. 8. What's left? Good. Q to the third because I took 1 out of the 4 minus plus 22. How's this GCF method going, all right? Because I got another method after we do 4, 5, and 6. Okay, how about we do 4 together, and I'll leave you to on 5 and 6 in your groups, all right? Ooh, 14, 42, and 49. Is there a number that goes into both? If there is, what's the biggest one? Don't yell anything out. We have a number, 11? 7, yes. Biggest number that goes into both. Perfect. Ooh, variables. They all have a t in them. So what do I want to take out? 8? On fire today back there. Just a t? What's my rule? If everything has the same variable, I take out the one with the lowest exponent. So it's 7t to the, there's your GCF, 7t to the third. What's left? What's left now? $11. What's left? Well, hold on. I took a 7 out, though. So I got to divide it, right? So 2, just 2, right? Because I already took the t to the third out. Here we go. Minus. Good. And then minus 7t. Nice job. How you guys doing here? Getting lost at all? Okay. You have 5 and 6 in your groups right now in the next 2 minutes. I'll be interested to see if anybody, there's a trap on 6 I don't want you to fall into, but we'll see if you do it. And if you do, it's fine. You guys are rookies at this. I expect you to fall into the traps. So go ahead, talk it over with your groups, 5 and 6. Find a GCF. What's left inside?